Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. So today we're going to talk about Kasana's hair. And yes, I really talk like this in real life, so get used to it. No, I'm just kidding. But people say my voice is annoying, which I agree, but I can't change it. Anyway, it's about this, not about me. Alright, so today I ordered this hair on Monday and it came Thursday today. 3 to 5 days. Kasana's Hair Exports. Probably saying that wrong. I'll put all the stuff below that you need to know, okay? Kasana's Hair Exports, 3 to 5 days. I am doing this review out of the kindness of my heart because of the fact that I never came across good hair in years. So I'm just like, I have to make a video. There's no sponsorships. I'm gonna show my receipts and everything. So yeah, I just love this hair. Right now I have 16, 18 inch. And I felt like, it just needs one more bundle for fullness. Not that it's not full enough, because I can definitely, definitely rock this. Like this. But yeah, a little fuller never hurt anybody. So, because usually I buy like 5 bundles and I put them in. So to have 3, I just felt kind of awkward. Yeah. So this hair is gorgeous. Tangle free. Smells good. And it's raw. Like, it was on the Indians girl's head, right? And they were like, chop, chop. And then they put some wefts on it and sent it to me. I was like, thank you. But of course I paid. But I was like, thank you. Shoot. We love us some weave. And if you're gonna go weave, go raw. Go raw, go in process. But yeah, it's gorgeous. Don't mind me, I had wisdom tooth surgery. I'm just feeling better. So I wanted to wash the hair. So I'm like, in order to wash the hair, I need to do my video so I can show my YouTubers that's looking to buy this hair that the quality's good. Okay? So yeah, I said my length is 16, 18. So gorgeous. I mean, I washed it on Saturday. The only good and bad thing I can say about this hair, good is that it lasts long, meaning like it'll last for a year. I only had it for a month, but it's been holding up so far. And then the bad things, it's really no bad things. It's really good. It's really good. I'm trying to think of something bad I can say. And I'm not sponsored, so it's like I could, but bad things I can say. Oh, the thickness. It's not bad, it's just preference. I just rather it thicker, but since it's real, you can't pick. But you just buy another bundle. Bundles are really cheap. It's $42, $52, $62. It's awesome. Pretty good. $52 raw. Bye guys. Subscribe, like, and comment. Ask your questions.